Let's learn how to check link clicks instantly without opening the URL on mobile devices. To use this feature, you need to have the Vivaldi app installed on your device. When the link is clicked on a desktop, it redirects to the original long URL. The feature shown in this guide works only on mobile devices. Before using the feature, let's check your device settings first. First, make sure the Check Clicks on Mobile Devices option is turned on. The feature only works when this option is enabled. Now let's see how the feature works on a mobile device. This blog post contains 3 links, now 1 created by you and 2 created by others. When you tap your own link, it won't open the URL. Instead, it shows the click count. Oops! One setting is missing. On some Android phones, an extra step is required due to security policies. Go to Settings, then Apps, and tap on Vivaldi. Tap Set as Default, then go to Supported Web Addresses. Make sure the vvd.bz and vvd.im domains are enabled. Now let's go back to the web page and tap the link you created. As you can see, when you tap the short URL, it doesn't redirect, it shows the click count instead. Make sure the Vivaldi app is installed and that you're logged in. If you tap a Vivaldi short URL created by someone else, the app briefly appears, then redirects to the long URL. Try Vivaldi now.